Uy, the magic wand. Okay, mag-away na. Babalik ko sa kanya, salita kayo. Okay. Now, snap my finger like this. Kids, watch. Meron ng color. Thank you. Thank you. Sino pangit? Ba't ang pangit? Pangit. I think I forgot something. I forgot the magic word. Let's do it one more time. Think of your favorite color. Kids, think of your favorite color. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. And at the count of 3, throw to my magic book. 1, 2, 3, throw. Show. Show. What's your magic one? Alam ko na magic eh. Ikaw. Okay, the magic one. Yung nakalimutan ko kanina. What is the magic word, kids? Happy birthday! One more time, louder! Happy birthday! Okay, wave it like this. Snap my finger, kids, look. It speaks. Sino pangit? Kanina drawing lang, ba't napunta sa akin? Okay, next magic. I need a 2 volunteers. I need a boy and a girl. You want? Oh, come here. Sit down first, sit down. Ako pipili. Kailangan medyo big kids. How old are you? Come here. I need a bigger boy. How about you? How old are you? Come here. What is your name? Star. Everybody, can you clap your hand in Star? What is your name? Huh? Little Saint? Hip-hop ka. Everybody clap your hand in Little Saint. How old are you? 10. She is 10 years old. How old are you? He is 29. Okay, let's do this magic. I'm just kidding. How old are you? 9. Okay, he's 9, she's 10. Okay, next magic, kids. I have here Star and Lil Saint, and here the very part of James, gagawin ko sila superhero. Gagawin ko superhero. Gagawin kita superhero, Lil Saint. Mag-picture tayo, nandiyan si Mamo. Mag-pictorial tayo, ha? Oy. Ayun na pong anak ko, nagagalit. Ang kapatid mo. Sit down muna. Sit down. Okay, now kids, I have here a very special handkerchief. What is your favorite color? What? Pink? What is your favorite color? His favorite color is pink. His favorite color is green. What is yellow for me? Thank you. What color do you like? Okay, hold the red one. Okay. Now, using this hanky, I'm going to do this two kids into a superhero. So all you want to do is look to Kuya Roland. Gagayahin niyo ako, Star. Lalagyan natin ng magic yung hanky. Gagayahin niyo ako, ha? Then say, gagayahin mo si Kuya. O, move sideward ka konti. Yan, para may space tayo. Okay. Kailangan hawak niyo ng dalawang kamay ganito.